Introducing the luxurious and powerful 2022 Volvo Xc90 2.0 T8. Ultimate AWD 455HP in stunning black. This plug-in hybrid electric estate car, registered new in 2022, is packed with top-of-the-line features for your comfort, convenience, safety, and style. From air conditioning to navigation, satellite radio to wireless charging, this vehicle has everything you need for a smooth and enjoyable ride. With ABS parking assistance, lane departure warning, and collision avoidance braking, you can feel secure on the road at all times. The Volvo Xc90 also boasts sleek design elements like privacy glass, sunroof, and roof rails, adding a touch of sophistication to your daily drive. And with headlight washers, self-leveling suspension, and stop and start system, you can enjoy a truly seamless driving experience. Rest assured that this vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specifications, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Call us or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie for more information on the 2022 Volvo Xc90 2.0 T8 Ultimate AWD 455HP today.